How to add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store and update the app to its latest version. Once you update it, launch it, you'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you'll find a fin option. Click on this fin option given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now over here, you'll find a fin option. Set it to post. Instagram has recently introduced an exciting update that now allows you to add up to 20 images to a carousel post, double the previous limit of 10. Now I can go ahead and select the picture. First up, you have to click on this icon given over here. Now select the post. Once you are done, you can click on next. Now from here, you can add music to your post, likewise filters. Once you are done, you can click on the option of next. Now from here, you can customize these settings. Add a caption or poll, tag people, add music, set audience, add location, and after you are done, you can share it. So this is how you can easily add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.